Hello, my lovelies. I hope you are all doing well today. You guys, I wanted to show you how I'm transitioning from my Christmas decor into my winter decor. Yes, we are bringing down all of our Christmas stuff, and I just wanted to show you guys, since I never got around to filming it, I wanted to make sure that I bring you guys from start to finish. So really quick, I'm just showing you my Christmas tree. It has my white rug around as a skirt, and I also have my initials in the bottom just to personalize the tree. So this year I have a lot of filler ornaments, nothing really in specific like my traveling tree. What I did do was mimic the colors of my living room tree, adding a lot of the red ribbon in it. Now moving on to my nightstand, you guys. I just added a little Christmas here, adding this beautiful Santa that I picked up in Hobby Lobby in one of their sales. Ahead and draped these little mini lights that mimic the ones that I have on the bed. And I absolutely love the little touches, you guys. Just to add more red to him, I added these ribbons, and I'm showing you guys the price here for $39.99. But of course, that's not what I paid for it. Obviously, you have to wait for the sales to get a better deal, but I think it came out super, super duper cute, you guys. This is the light garland that I was referring to, you guys, and it's so cute. I love the way that it's constructed. It has little metal wires all scrambled together to make this beautiful little ball, and it's the color silver. And I'm thinking of keeping this with the winter decor just because it's not very Christmassy, but it does add a little bit of ambiance lighting at night, which I absolutely love. Here I'm just going to show you a quick clip of how it looked with the lights turned down. It just has a little bit of a glow. Very nice and soothing, especially at nighttime. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up for my birthday, which is January 3rd. And I love this pillow, you guys, and it has little hairs that are silver and sparkly. I love shopping this time of year just because you can find more things that are blingy, more things that are sparkly. And so this is a time of year that I tend to buy my decor because it's more readily available. And on top of that, guys, I saw this comforter set, and it's so hard for me to find something that I actually like. So every time I go, I keep an eye out. I've had my current one for about 2 or 3 years now. I only have one at a time. I know that some people like to change them out by season, but I just don't like to store things. And so I only tend to have one, and I'll decorate according to the seasons with the color pillows or accent, but my main comforter will be the same. This is all the things that it comes with. I wish that Ross or Steve Madden or whoever it is that makes these sets, instead of making these little tiny accent pillows, they were better off just adding maybe one nice size pillow to match. And so moving on to this vase, this is actually a present from my mom, which she went with me shopping. I just love all of the sparkle and the shine to it. It kind of reminds me of the Zgallerie inspired. So I absolutely had to pick this up. It was only $11.99. And with that price, you guys, I definitely had to pick it up. Now, obviously, it's Zgallerie because as I can show you right now, there is a little bit of fallout. So not too bad, but you know, you don't want to handle this too much because if not, you'll have glitter everywhere. And just for a size comparison, I'm putting it here next to the Santa Claus. So it's a nice size piece, nice and tall, and I just love the design and the sparkle that it brings. So this is it. This is what I'm going to use, and I'm also going to be using remaining items that I already have. So here we go. And this is the after, you guys. I love, love, love the way this came out. I love the neutral colors. It's unbelievable with just 3 pieces how you can make a change. I know it's still very neutral, but I did go with the darker gray in the bed sheets, and I'm definitely happy that I did that. And finally, I was able to update some of my picture frames with the new trip. I have them just sitting on top of my jewelry box so that I can see it every time I come in. This picture was taken in Mexico in our November trip, and the one to the right was in Lake Tahoe for 2017. You guys, this is my husband's side, and I always say that I keep his side very simple because he likes to toss his keys and wallet and all that stuff at night. I'm really liking this medallion print. I love the darker gray. It actually brings some warmth into the room. And also, you guys, look where the vase ended up. I just added some of these branches that are flocked. They are from my Christmas decor, but since we're still in winter time, they still go with the theme. So I just wanted to add a little bit more of a winter wonderland, and I love the height and how it's also spread out. So just add a touch of winter into my decor. Did anyone notice that I finally put a picture in my frame? Yes, I finally got it. It is so cute. I love this picture. It shows a picture of me and my husband on the balcony on the cruise in the middle of the ocean. And I'm so glad I finally have something there to show. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you liked most of it. You guys, make sure to subscribe. I have my Valentine video decor coming up very, very soon, and I can't wait to bring you along with me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.